Hey guys, it's Monday, week 2. So you have already done one response paper and essay 1, and they are graded. On the response papers, I let everybody revise them because it's not your fault. We're not in class for me to help you with the format. So by now, I have sent all of you the template 2 or 3 times, I think it feels like, or I've sent half of you the template a couple times. Please use that template. Instead of me making you learn how to do it, I did it for you because I'm not in class to show you how. So you have the Modern Language Association, MLA, Modern Language Association. You have the template that they say that we'll use in college English classes. So we need to use that template. So you have your grades in there. Be sure you stay up and look at your grades because I graded most of today. I graded. There are a couple people that I haven't done yet. I think there's 2 left. So sorry, you 2, but I'm going to do those when I get done doing this. So response papers are done and graded for week 1. Essay 1, week 1, graded. So week 2, let's see. All right, I'll let you fix those response papers. You've got your essays back, and your essay 2 is posted and open. Your response is due Wednesday night, essay 2 due Sunday night. We'll do that same routine each week. Essay 2 is a description paper. You're going to describe a person, a place, or a thing. Not all 3. Pick one. A person, a place, or a thing. The secret is in the details. That is the secret. Details. Minimum 2 pages. A few of us weren't very good at the 2-page thing. It has to be at least 2 pages. Come on, guys. That's not asking very much. For college level writing, 2 pages is nothing. It's child's play. So, 5 paragraphs. You need an introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. You need a thesis. A thesis tells what the whole paper's about. You need a thesis, and it lives at the end of the introduction. So make sure you have a thesis at the end of the first paragraph. First person is fine for this essay. You can go ahead and use first person. Get it out of your system because you know, those of you that know writing know that third person is coming. Formal writing is predominantly done in third person. So go ahead. There's a whole handout in there that's open for you to click on. It's called first person, second person, third person. You can click on that and read it if you don't know what I'm talking about. Response paper this week is 3 interesting facts. All I need is 3 body paragraphs. 3 body paragraphs on your response paper. Don't worry about an introduction and a conclusion on the response paper. That means each body paragraph begins with a topic sentence. Topic sentence explains what that whole paragraph's about. So I gave you my interesting facts paper as a sample. Go in there, read mine. I only gave you one paragraph. You're going to write 3 paragraphs. That means 3 interesting facts. Use the MLA template. Please don't make me send that paper back to you and say, please use this template. It has to be formatted according to the MLA rules. Use the template for everything you write. Essay 2 is going to be graded harder. The bar is rising. Each time you write, my expectations for you are rising. You should be writing in full sentences, no fragments. A fragment is an incomplete sentence. By now, we should all have full sentences. That means each sentence has a subject, a verb, and makes a complete thought. A subject, a verb, makes a complete thought. No fragments anymore. Comma splices. Need to get rid of those. I gave you a handout in this week's folder. Open that comma rules handout. Some of us need to freshen up on our comma rules. There are rules for using commas. We can't just randomly salt and pepper sprinkle them in there. You have to actually know the rules to use one. What else? Run-ons. You've got to have punctuation between full sentences. Write a sentence, put a period at the end of it. Write the next sentence, put a period at the end. And if your sentence is 4 lines long, it is way too long. It shouldn't be more than 1 line per sentence. Let's do that. 1 line per sentence rule. Keep them short and sweet. The object of the game is to make it easy for the reader to understand. If the reader doesn't understand it, you're wasting your time. Okay, so week 2, open that folder, look at the comma rules. First response papers due Wednesday night. Essay 2, description, is due Sunday night. Email me if you have any questions. Please use the template. I spent so much time sending papers back to people who sent it to me single-spaced, wrong font, and on and on. Short and sweet sentences. KISS, right? Keep it short and sweet. All right, week 2. Let me know if you have any questions. Here we go. Bye.